Hey guys, I'm here with the DS200 from Ancel. I'm really excited about this guy. It does full diagnosis of engine, transmission, airbag, everything you need to diagnose on the car. It also has 15 of the most common resets that I'm going to be using this guy a lot for. It does injector coding, DPF reset, a whole bunch of things that we'll dive into, but let's go ahead and open up the box and check this guy out. So very pretty, nice tablet. We've got our OBD2 cord. It's got a good instruction manual inside of here. Let's check this guy out. So as you can see, it's got a very nice display here. Our main menu here, our auto search, which is going to get us into full diagnosis. All right, so I got my cable attached up here. Let's go ahead and get this car scanned. I really do like that it has that free online updates for life, which is very nice. All right, so we got our key in the on position. Let's go ahead and plug in the tester. Now, one of the things I do like is that once you plug in the tester, it goes ahead and turns itself on. Just one less button to push. Also, I really like the fact that it charges on the vehicle, so you're not going to really be having to put this guy, plug it into a battery charger, plug it into an outlet. It charges while in use, so that's very nice. I like how small and compact it is. The main thing I really like is how fast this is. So let's go ahead. We're going to do a full health report. We'll go through all of our systems and see what kind of faults we have inside of the car. We actually have my VIN number in there. You can put in your customer's name, phone number. You can put in your shop information and phone number, and you can either email that to your customer or you can even text it to your customer. So I'm going to do that health report. I really like that health report. It's going to go through and find every module that this vehicle has, all the systems. Look at how fast that was. That is faster than anything else that I've used. So we have 6 systems with 5 faults stored. So inside of the engine control module, you can see I have some faults that I need to look at and do some diagnosis. And I've also got an ABS fault in here. My other systems are in good shape. You can see the green check. So this is very nice menu. I really like it. Now let's pick our maintenance menu here. I'll be using this a lot. This is very helpful inside of the shop. And it does have all of your major resets here. So this is going to work very well to reset. Let's say we were going to go into our oil life, which for BMW this actually brings up the entire service menu, and then it's going to go ahead and go through the systems here really fast. The software that I was using before I got this tablet, this process can take up to 20 minutes. So we are going to do that oil life reset. It's found all of the vehicle information now. So now it's going to be able to jump into that service menu. So here we can see my vehicle check is at 0. Brake fluids at 0. So those are due. And then rear brakes still have good life. Front brakes still have good life. My emissions is deactivated. And those are our serviceable menu items in here. Now F1 is going to be your oil life reset, but I did just reset the oil life in this car. That's why it's not even giving me the option, because it's not available for reset right now. This tool is really nice, guys. I recommend it. Go ahead and click on the link below, pick one of these up, get it in your toolbox, start saving time. And it's a really nice tablet to hold and handle, so I think you guys are going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching.